Malacanang assures that the government is working to reduce the number of poor Filipinos. Based on a recent SWS survey, the number of poor Filipinos is estimated at 17.8% or 3.9 million families. According to Communications Secretary Sonny Coloma, all government agencies are involved in poverty reduction efforts. He noted that more than 37% of the national budget is allotted to poverty reduction and social protection. Coloma added that figures from the Philippine Statistics Authority, National Statistics Office, and NEDA show that the incidence of poverty in the country has decreased 4.9% in 2013 from 27.9% previously.
Hindi tumitigil ang aksyon ng ating pamahalaan. Lahat ng ahensya ng pamahalaan na merong kinalaman sa poverty reduction and social protection ay kumikilos para maibsan ang paghihirap ng ating mga mamamayan. Pag tinuhayan natin ang 2014 national budget, ang pinakamalaking bahagi nito, more than 37%, is allotted to poverty reduction and social protection. Kaya tinitiyak ko sa inyo na hindi nagpapabaya ang pamahalaan at ginagawang puspusan ang pagsisikap na maibsan ang kahirapan at kagutuman ng ating mga mamamayan.